Wait, before you take another step. Have you ever wondered what your feet truly go through every day? All right, everybody, let's have a little heart-to-heart. We talk so much about our fitness goals, don't we? We celebrate that extra mile we ran. We feel proud of lifting a little heavier. We push ourselves to be stronger, faster, and healthier. But I want to ask you something. When was the last time you truly thanked your feet? These incredible foundations carry us through every single step of our journey. They absorb the impact of every stride. They absorb the impact of every jump. They absorb the impact of every lunge. They are our unsung heroes, working tirelessly without a single complaint. It's time we give them the spotlight and the care they so rightly deserve. Think about it for a moment. Your feet are the base of your entire body's kinetic chain. That's just a fancy way of saying everything is connected. When your feet are happy and healthy, that positive energy travels all the way up. It supports your ankles. It supports your knees. It supports your hips. It supports your back. Ignoring them after a tough workout is like building a beautiful house on a shaky foundation. Let's begin with something simple and incredibly effective: stretching. After a workout, your muscles are warm and receptive. This is the perfect time to gently lengthen and release the tension that has built up in your feet. We're not talking about complicated yoga poses here. These are easy, feel-good movements that anyone can do. Find a comfortable place to sit, maybe on the floor or on the edge of your couch. Take off your shoes and socks. Let your feet breathe. This simple act alone is a wonderful start to your recovery ritual, a signal to your body that it's time to unwind and relax. First, let's focus on pointing and flexing. Extend one leg out in front of you. Gently point your toes away from your body, like a ballerina pressing down on a pedal. Hold it there for a slow count of 20 or 30. Now slowly reverse the motion. Flex your foot back, pulling toes toward your knee. Feel the stretch in your heel and calf. Repeat this gentle back and forth about 3 or 4 times on each foot. Breathe deeply as you do. Next, let's give those arches some love with a toe stretch. Cross one leg over the other knee. Take the toes of that foot in your hand. Gently pull them back toward your shin until you feel a comfortable stretch in the arch and plantar fascia. Hold this stretch for about 30 seconds, breathing into it. Extend your leg and slowly rotate your foot in a big clockwise circle. Imagine drawing a circle with your big toe. Do this 10 times. Then reverse and make 10 circles counterclockwise. You might hear little pops or crackles. That's usually perfectly normal. You are telling your joints, thank you for all your hard work. Now, for what might be my favorite part of this whole routine, a little self-massage. Your own hands are some of the most powerful healing tools you have. You don't need any fancy equipment, just a few minutes and a willingness to connect with your body. Massaging your feet helps to increase circulation, which brings fresh, oxygen-rich blood to the tissues to help them repair. It also breaks up tiny knots and adhesions in the muscles, easing soreness and improving flexibility. It just feels so good, doesn't it? It's a direct way of sending love and care right where it's needed most. To begin, find a comfortable seated position. You might want to use a little bit of lotion or massage oil to help your hands glide smoothly, but it's not absolutely necessary. Place one foot on your opposite thigh. Start by using your thumbs to make long, firm strokes from your heel all the way up to the ball of your foot. Press in with a comfortable amount of pressure. Go over the entire sole of your foot several times. Pay attention to how it feels. Notice any areas that feel particularly tight or tender. Breathe into those spots, sending them a little extra care and attention. Next, let's use our thumbs to make small, deep circles all over the bottom of the foot. This is where you can really work on those tighter spots you might have found. Focus on the arch. Focus on the heel pad. Focus on the fleshy part just below your toes. Don't be afraid to apply firm pressure, but always listen to your body. It should be a good hurt, that feeling of release, not sharp pain. Finally, finish by using your whole hand to gently squeeze and knead the entire foot from ankle to toes. It's like giving your foot a warm, comforting hug. There is something so primal and healing about water, isn't there? It can soothe, invigorate, wash away the day's troubles. After your stretches and massage, using water therapy is a fantastic way to cap off your foot recovery session. The beauty of this step is its simplicity. 2 basins or buckets, or even your bathtub. Get set. This method, often called contrast water therapy, involves alternating between warm and cold water. It's a technique athletes have used for years to reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery. You will need 1 basin filled with comfortably warm water, not hot. We want to soothe, not scald. In the other basin, you'll have cool or cold water. You can even add some ice cubes to make it extra chilly if you're feeling brave. Start by submerging your feet in the warm water basin. Ah, feel that? Let them soak for about 3 to 4 minutes. Close your eyes. Take some deep, calming breaths. Let the warmth penetrate deep into your muscles and joints, relaxing everything. Now for the switch. After your time in the warm water, move your feet directly into the cold water basin. Woo! It will certainly wake you up. Hold them in the cold for just 1 minute. Keep breathing. Repeat this entire cycle, 3 minutes warm, 1 minute cold, about 3 times, always ending with the cold water. As we bring our wonderful recovery session to a close, I want you to just sit for a moment. Feel the difference in your feet. They might feel lighter. They might feel more flexible. You might notice a pleasant tingling sensation from the increased circulation. This feeling of relief and rejuvenation is the direct result of the time and care you just invested in yourself. Making this a regular practice is the key. Create a little recovery station for yourself with your basins, a towel, and maybe some lotion. This practice is also an incredible opportunity for mindfulness. It's a gift you give yourself. You're worthy of this care. You are deserving of this time.